Moms everywhere can agree being pregnant is not easy, but there's something that would make their third trimester even more difficult. That might be fighting fires. A 35-year-old Florida firefighter who is 7 months pregnant is being told she'll have to carry out her normal duties until she gives birth. Due to a union contract that forbids giving pregnant firefighters lighter duties, the expectant mom is scheduled to work until the day before her C-section, even though her doctor has told her it is not good for her or the baby. And one of the things she mentions, which makes sense, carrying 70 pounds of equipment, doing CPR, and lifting patients is becoming more difficult. I can see that being the case. It seems to me that And in most professions where maybe heavy lifting is involved, people are given lighter duties during pregnancy. This is just so bizarre that seems like it's based on, I don't want to call it prehistoric, but it feels some prehistoric union contract.
Right, because the union should be protecting her, but fire departments in nearby counties actually will put people on light duty, so I guess this is something specific to hers. But it's messed up. Like, this is messed up because this woman, she's inhaling smoke, and for example, you have carbon monoxide, and then you can have problem with the baby's development, like neurologically, miscarriage, you know, all of that other stuff. And also, she's picking people up. She's carrying this heavy equipment. So, you know, as her belly grows, her center of gravity is off. And also, hormonally, women change. So there's something called relaxin, and relaxin makes those joints a little looser. Also, something could hit her in her belly, which is less than ideal during pregnancy. And it's hot in there. And when mom is hot, baby is actually a little hotter, and that can also lead to problems. So I can't believe they're making this woman work.
So what about if something does happen to her or the baby, then is the fire department and her employer liable?
Well, that's the whole, I think reality is going to set in, and they're going to make some concessions, because clearly on so many issues this is wrong.
And you would like to think that if there is this bizarre clause in the union contract, which apparently states employees shall not be entitled to light or restricted duty for non-duty related illness, injury, or condition such as pregnancy, you would like to think that on the front lines that her compatriots are probably, hopefully, offering a helping hand. Oftentimes, people making the decisions are sitting at a desk somewhere, no offense, but not putting their life on the line. And I think that we need to take a moment to reflect that there are literally people out there who every day put their lives on the line to save you. And I think we owe them that respect, but sadly sometimes people do. They'll sit in the ivory tower in their desk, and their thoughts are not always with what is best for these people who are putting themselves on the line. And it's unfortunate that that's the reality, but it is.
I'm really surprised that the union isn't helping her out on this. Like, the union is supposed to protect workers. I'm really surprised that this is their stance.
Well, hopefully this will be the impetus for change in that particular locale, and all we can hope for in this scenario is that she has a very safe pregnancy and delivery.
Good luck, Mama.
And thanks again for all the work that you first responders and firefighters do.